Hey, hello, and what's up, guys? Welcome back to AI. So, guys, in this video, we're going to solve IAM custom roles, guys. So, guys, if you're new to the channel, please make sure please like and subscribe to the channel for more such contents, guys. So, guys, the saddest part is that I'm getting views but not a subscribers. So, please do subscribe. It will be more motivated to make solution based on cloud as well as AI, guys. So, please do subscribe to the channel and let me move to this tab. And if you're not a join our community, please join our community. So, where you get an updates on cloud solution as well as AI. And if any queries to be asked, so please ask in the community section. So let me move to this tab. Just copy your password and open a console in Note mode and click on next here and paste your password here and click on next here and then click on I understand. So wait for a few seconds. So click on I agree and continue. So click on this open your closure terminal in your lab. So remove this navigation menu and click on continue. So just come back, guys. So guys, I'll be providing link in description, so get access of that link. So just come back to your GitHub and just copy the curl command provided and then just wait for the terminal to be loaded and then just you need to paste it. That's it, and wait for 2 seconds. That's it. So click on got it here. After that, paste your command here and click on enter. So click on here authorize here and then wait for a few seconds. The lab will be get executed. So before that, if you not at channel, please do subscribe to channel and join our community for more such content, guys. So guys, finally our lab has been executed. So let me move to our lab and then just let me check our progress here. So click on task number 1 here. So task number 2, task number 3, 4, and the task number 5 or 4, you'll get a check my progress. You'll get a green tick without any issue. And click on check my progress. So you'll get a green tick without any issue here also. So let me wait for a few seconds. So let it execute till that click on check my progress here also and you will get a green tick here also without any issue here and click on check my progress here also you will get a green tick without any issue due to network issue trouble checking progress. So just come back here and something is we have here issue, guys. So here also we got an check my click on check my progress here. So we got green ticket without any issue here at task number 6, 7 and everything. And at the last click on check my progress and you'll get a green tick here also. Come down here at the last. Yeah, see guys, so you can see all the green tick has been done here without any issue. So guys, let us end this lab. So before ending this app, please make sure please like and subscribe to the channel for more such contents, guys. So do join our community for more such updates, guys. Thank you.